According to the National Safety Council, you are 30 times more likely to get ejected from your vehicle while not wearing your seatbelt.
Studies show that seatbelts reduce the risk of accidental death by upwards to 61%.
With every 1% increase in seatbelt usage, it's estimated that 100 lives can be saved.
Without using seatbelts, airbags are much less efficient. Seatbelts serve as an initial restraint, ensuring that an airbag makes contact.
Let me tell you something! Hey! Hey!
Just wear your seatbelt.
Wear your seatbelt!
Safety is important.